Imagine a world without airplanes. It's hard, isn't it? The skies would be empty, devoid of the familiar sight of aircraft soaring above. Our lives would be vastly different, and the world would feel much larger and more disconnected. We take for granted the ability to travel across continents in hours. The convenience of hopping on a plane and reaching the other side of the world in a matter of hours is a marvel of modern technology. We can visit distant lands and connect with loved ones far away. Air travel has made it possible to maintain relationships and explore new cultures, enriching our lives in countless ways. The invention of the airplane revolutionized travel and brought the world closer together. It shrank distances and made the globe more accessible, fostering a sense of global community. But it wasn't always this way. Before the advent of aviation, travel was a slow and often arduous process, limited by the speed of horses, ships, and trains. Before the airplane, long journeys were arduous and time-consuming. People spent days, weeks, or even months to reach distant destinations, making travel a rare and significant undertaking. The Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville, dared to dream of a different future, a future where humans could soar through the air like birds. Their vision and determination led to the first successful powered flight in 1903. Their invention, the airplane, would forever change the course of human history. It opened up new possibilities for exploration, communication, and understanding between cultures. The airplane became a bridge, connecting people and places that were once separated by vast distances. The story of the Wright brothers is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and perseverance. Their legacy lives on in every flight that takes off, reminding us of the incredible progress we've made and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Wilbur and Orville Wright were two ordinary brothers from Ohio with an extraordinary dream. Born in the late 19th century, they grew up in a time when the idea of human flight was considered a fantasy, something out of a science fiction novel. Yet these two brothers dared to dream big. They were fascinated by the idea of flight from a young age. Their curiosity was sparked by a toy helicopter their father brought home, which was powered by a rubber band. This simple toy ignited a lifelong passion for aviation. Neither brother finished high school, but they were both intelligent, mechanically inclined, and determined to achieve the impossible. They spent countless hours reading about the principles of flight and experimenting with various designs. The Wright brothers owned a bicycle shop in Dayton, Ohio. This shop was more than just a business. It was a workshop where they honed their mechanical skills and nurtured their inventive spirits. This provided them with the mechanical skills and resources they needed to pursue their dream of building a flying machine. They used their knowledge of bicycles to understand balance and control, which would later prove crucial in their aviation experiments. They studied the work of other aviation pioneers such as Otto Lilienthal and Octave Chanute. These pioneers had made significant strides in understanding the principles of flight, and the Wright brothers built upon their research. Unlike many others who attempted to build flying machines, the Wright brothers focused on understanding the principles of control and stability. They realized that mastering these aspects was essential for sustained flight. This approach would prove to be the key to their success. Through meticulous experimentation and relentless perseverance, they developed a three-axis control system which allowed the pilot to steer the aircraft effectively and maintain its equilibrium. Their story is a reminder that even ordinary individuals can achieve extraordinary things with passion, dedication, and a willingness to defy the odds. The Wright brothers' journey from a small bicycle shop to the skies above Kitty Hawk is a testament to the power of innovation and the human spirit. The Wright brothers began their journey into aviation by building and testing gliders. They chose Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, as their testing ground because of its strong winds and sandy dunes. Between 1900 and 1902, they made hundreds of glider flights, carefully observing and analyzing each one. They built a wind tunnel to test different wing shapes and designs. This meticulous approach allowed them to gather valuable data and refine their understanding of aerodynamics. The brothers faced numerous setbacks and crashes during their early experiments, but they never gave up. Each failure provided valuable lessons that brought them closer to their goal. Their unwavering belief in their vision and their willingness to learn from their mistakes fueled their progress. Building the first airplane was a daunting task fraught with challenges. The Wright brothers had to overcome numerous technical obstacles, from designing efficient propellers to developing a lightweight yet powerful engine. Materials science was in its infancy, and they had to experiment with different materials to find the right combination of strength and lightness. There were no established textbooks or blueprints to guide them. They had to rely on their own ingenuity and problem-solving skills to overcome each obstacle. Funding was also a constant challenge. The Wright brothers invested their own money in their project, often struggling to make ends meet. Section 5. Kitty Hawk, where history took flight. Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, holds a special place in aviation history. This remote location, with its strong winds and open space, provided the perfect environment for the Wright brothers to test their flying machines. The sandy dunes offered a soft landing spot in case of crashes, which were frequent in those early days. The isolation of Kitty Hawk allowed the Wright brothers to work in relative secrecy, away from the prying eyes of competitors and skeptics. Today, the site of their first flight is preserved as a national monument, attracting visitors from around the world who come to pay homage to the birthplace of aviation. Section 6, December 17th, 1903. A moment etched in time. December 17th, 1903 dawned cold and windy at Kitty Hawk. Undeterred, the Wright brothers prepared for what would become a pivotal moment in history. With Orville at the controls, the Wright flyer took to the air for the first time, staying aloft for a mere 12 seconds and covering a distance of 120 feet. Despite its brevity, this first successful flight marked a turning point in human history. It proved that controlled, sustained flight was possible, fulfilling a dream that had captivated humankind for centuries. The Wright brothers made 4 flights that day, each one longer and more successful than the last. Section 7. Beyond the first flight, refining the design. The Wright brothers didn't stop at Kitty Hawk. They continued to refine their designs, building and testing new and improved versions of their airplane. They returned to Dayton, Ohio, where they continued their experiments in a cow pasture. In 1905, they developed the Wright Flyer The-3, which was capable of sustained flight for over half an hour. They made longer and more controlled flights, demonstrating the practicality of their invention. The Wright brothers patented their airplane design, protecting their intellectual property. Section 8. A legacy. Soaring high, the Wright brothers' enduring impact. The Wright brothers' invention had a profound impact on the world. Their work ushered in the age of aviation, transforming travel, warfare, and our understanding of what's possible. The airplane has connected people and cultures like never before, shrinking the world and fostering global understanding. Air travel has become an integral part of modern life, facilitating trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. The Wright brothers' legacy lives on in every airplane that takes to the skies, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring allure of flight. Section 9. Conclusion. The unending frontier of aviation. From those humble beginnings on the windswept dunes of Kitty Hawk, where the Wright brothers first took to the skies, aviation has soared to unimaginable heights. What started as a dream to conquer the skies has now become an integral part of our daily lives. Today, modern jetliners connect cities and countries, shrinking the world and bringing people closer together. We've explored the far reaches of our planet, ventured into space, and even set our sights on distant planets. The journey of aviation has been one of relentless innovation and discovery, and continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the air. From experimental aircraft that defy conventional designs to drone technology that redefines aerial capabilities, the future of aviation is filled with endless possibilities. The Wright brothers' story serves as an inspiration to dream big. Their determination and innovative spirit laid the foundation for the aviation industry as we know it today, and to never give up on our passions. Young aviators training today, pilots in cockpits, and children visiting aviation museums all draw inspiration from the Wright brothers' legacy. Their legacy reminds us that even the seemingly impossible can be achieved with determination, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Each milestone in aviation history is a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to push beyond our limits, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Engineers and inventors continue to work tirelessly, developing new prototypes and technologies that will shape the future of flight. As we look to the future of aviation, we envision a world where air travel is faster, safer, and more efficient. Advanced airplanes and modern air traffic control systems are just the beginning. We can draw inspiration from the Wright brothers' pioneering spirit, knowing that their vision continues to guide us, knowing that the sky is no longer the limit when it comes to human ingenuity. Innovative aircraft designs and modern aerospace engineering are paving the way for a new era of aviation. And our quest to explore the unknown. As we continue to push the boundaries, the spirit of exploration and the drive to innovate will lead us to new heights and beyond.